Team Nisca thanks you for purchasing the new PR-C101 printer, the complete out-of-the-box ID card solution. Before we begin, you should first read all documentation accompanied with the PR-C101 before operating the printer. A user manual is located in the box with the printer. If lost or missing, you may download the documents from our website at www.teamnisca.com or contact your local Nisca dealer. Unpacking your printer. It is important for future shipping or transporting that you save the box and the packing material that the printer came with. Once you have removed all of the contents in the box, you should have received a user's manual, easy setup guide, USB cable, exit box, power cord, a free ribbon, installation CD, and the printer. Your printer is shipped with packing tape to ensure its safe arrival. Please remove this tape that is securing the card hopper, the rotating LCD display, and the ribbon door. To remove the protective print head foam, open the ribbon door. To disengage the print head, fold the locking tab of print head release lever to your left, and while pulling on the lever, rotate it counterclockwise until the lever is in a vertical position, as shown. Once the print head has been disengaged, you may remove the protective foam. Loading media. To unpack the ribbon cassette, just simply remove from its box. The cassette should be sealed inside a plastic bag. If your ribbon is not concealed in a plastic bag, please discard and contact your dealer. Please remove the ribbon cassette from the bag as shown. Before you can install your ribbon, there are two pieces of tape that keep the spools from turning during transportation. Please remove them. Finally, remove the protective cover on the cleaning roller by pulling the tab. The PR-C101 ribbon cassette incorporates a small chip that contains information about the ribbon. The chip communicates the ribbon type, amount of prints, and a host of secure information about the ribbon. With this chip, only genuine Nisca ribbons can be used with your PR-C101. This will ensure that you receive the superior print quality Nisca is known for, while avoiding problems caused by inferior ribbons. To insert the cassette, hold the cassette with the insertion knob and slide into the printer. To ensure proper installation, make sure that the cleaning roller is to your right when inserting. Lock the cassette in place by pulling the print head release lever toward you and rotate it clockwise into a horizontal position. Then unfold the locking tab to secure the ribbon cassette. Now close the ribbon door. The exit box is attached onto the left side using the two hooks on the box just under the exit slot of the printer. Card loading. To install cards, our card hopper is completely removable for easy card insertion, or you can leave the hopper in place. Open the hopper by sliding the release button and pulling the cover back. Lift the incorporated card weight and place your cards in. Slide the card weight down onto the cards and close the hopper. The PR-C101 card hopper has a single card slot for manually inserting a single card. The C101 has two exit boxes, one below the card hopper, which holds 30 cards, and the exit box to the left of the printer, which holds 50 cards. Both are printer configurable. Cleaning. The PR-C101 is self-cleaning. The white roller on the ribbon cassette is an adhesive cleaning roller. A second cleaning roller cleans the white adhesive roller on the cassette. Together, these cleaning rollers ensure that debris or dust will not affect your prints. The roller does not need to be replaced during the entire life of the printer. Just wipe it with a damp lint-free cloth and place back into the printer. Connections configuration. For installation, All of your power and interface connections are on the back of the unit. For convenience, Nisca has incorporated a rotating display. The display will allow you to place your new printer in any orientation on a desktop or cabinet without having to maneuver the printer for viewing the display. We hope that this video has helped you to become more familiar with your Nisca PR-C101 printer. Be sure to follow the basic maintenance procedures to maintain the quality and ensure longevity of your card printing system. Be sure to visit our website at www.teamnisca.com for more information about our entire line of world-class identification card printers.